meantime talk about politics, because amid the churn within the TMC, the speculation over a possible Congress-TMC merger seems to be gathering steam. Now, Congress MP Imran Masood has suggested that the two parties should actually come together, arguing that a merger may be the only way to prevent attempts to weaken and divide the opposition. However, the buzz has intensified after reports claim that merger talks figured in the recent meeting between Sonia Gandhi and Mamata Banerjee in Delhi. However, Jairam Ramesh has firmly rejected those reports, saying that it is inaccurate what transpired between the two leaders of the Congress and of the TMC. Meanwhile, Mamata Banerjee camp has also dismissed the threat of the rebel camp, saying that they have absolutely no problem if 19 to 20 MPs leave the party. Kalyan Banerjee says it's good riddance.
We are very happy. Let me tell you, we are very happy. These double character peoples have gone.
Good riddance of bad rubbish.
We need a fresh blood. Leader is Mamata Banerjee. Symbol, Trinamool symbol. We don't bother. We are very happy. 20 की वो उसका ज़्यादा भी हो जाएगा, कोई असुविधा नहीं है.
Now let's talk about what's happening as far as this closed-door meeting is concerned. Because another round of meeting that happened between, according to sources, between Rahul Gandhi and Abhishek Banerjee, and it was a crucial 88-minute-long meeting, over an hour that we are now looking at, that happened between Rahul Gandhi and Abhishek Banerjee in Delhi, that seems to have, according to reports, finalized a certain deal. Now, what started as a speculation after Mamata Banerjee's meeting with Sonia Gandhi has now turned into concrete understanding, and this marathon huddle, which went beyond the scheduled time, focused on seat sharing, coordination in West Bengal, and strengthening the India bloc ahead of future battles. Now, this alliance comes at a critical time for the TMC amid internal challenges, signaling a united front against the BJP in the state. So this could be a big development as to what we are now learning, because initial reports are being rejected, both from the TMC and from the Congress's side. However, if this is another meeting that has happened between Abhishek Banerjee and Rahul Gandhi, and if there are indications that in the coming days there could be a possible merger of the TMC with the Congress party, then what are we actually looking at as far as Congress party's own, the TMC's own identity as a regional political party is concerned? Sabyasachi, what happens with the future of the TMC, which currently is being led by Mamata Banerjee? However, the dissent within the party has also been going up.
See, the situation for the Trinamool Congress is not good, and we saw an active meeting of Mamata Banerjee with Sonia Gandhi that lasted for 50 minutes, and yesterday the meeting of Abhishek Banerjee with Rahul Gandhi that lasted around 88 minutes to 90 minutes. Now, in that meeting, things has been put in line as far as the Trinamool Congress and the Congress Party.
The Trinamool Congress and the Congress Party is concerned, because earlier we have seen that there were differences. Now, there were reports, speculations going around that there could be a possible merger, but highly placed sources within the Trinamool Congress and the Congress Party both have rejected the claim that there were not any talks of merger, but there were talks of consolidating the alliance between the TMC and the Congress Party. So going ahead, we are going to see the Trinamool Congress and the Congress Party fighting together in the state of West Bengal, whether it is the state polls or the upcoming Lok Sabha polls. So the seat sharing has been finalized between the Congress and the Trinamool Congress. So they together will be fighting the upcoming Lok Sabha polls, and the strengthening of the India bloc parties, because the Trinamool Congress was aware of the fact that some of the Congress leaders from the state of West Bengal, likes of Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, has been completely speaking against Mamata Banerjee, and in the past also, because of several statements that has been made by Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, the alliance between the TMC and the Congress Party in the state of West Bengal has not worked, and that was the reason why the Congress Party had to fight.
But what options are really ahead of Mamata Banerjee, Sabyasachi, if you're able to learn that? Because when we talk about this number 19 and why it is significant as far as for the rebel camp is concerned, because for the MLAs, of course, they have already challenged Ritabrata Banerjee being appointed as the leader of the opposition in the assembly. The MPs also deserting them. And these are those people who were staunch loyalists, or they were considered to be staunch loyalists of Mamata Banerjee. What changed?
Well, Well, see, a lot of the things have changed. In fact, this problem is not new within the Trinamool Congress. In fact, in the past also, if you look at the 2021...
Well, let me connect with
polls,
Mr. Amitabh Roy joining us from the Bengal BJP. Sir, good morning. What is your understanding if... do you believe that there is a possibility that the TMC, led by Mamata Banerjee, will be merged with the Congress?
Good morning, everybody. For the couple of days, we are seeing these incidents in Bengal as well as in Delhi. Mamata Banerjee can do anything for her personal needs because Mamata Banerjee, TMC, has been born from the womb of the Congress. And Mr. Atal Bihari Vajpayee, Mr. L.K. Advani, that time BJP stalwarts, helped TMC to form. And Mr. Atal Bihari Vajpayee gave blessings to Mamata Banerjee to fight against the CPM and the Maoists. The person who can betray Mr. Atal Bihari Vajpayee or stalwart BJP leaders can do anything for her personal needs. So returning to the Congress is returning to the same womb from where the party has been born. When Mamata Banerjee needed the Congress, he used Congress. When he needed BJP, he adjusted with BJP. When he needed the Maoist, he adjusted with the Maoist. So TMC doesn't have any ideology.
Okay.
TMC doesn't have any mission to do for the good of the people in the West Bengal.
Right, sir.
So TMC and Mamata Banerjee can do anything for their
So you're looking at
needs.
TMC's future to be bleak. I also have Manav Jaiswal joining us here on the broadcast. Manav, what is your understanding? What happens with the future of TMC? What are the options before Mamata Banerjee?
First of all, good morning to the nation. We could really realize one thing, one foremost, that we received 2.61 crore votes of the people from Bengal. There have been almost 30 lakh people who have been discarded to the SIR. BJP got a mandate, and we know how they manage this mandate. So people, when they are talking about the future of the TMC, they should talk about the Karyakartas, the Karmis, the voters of the TMC.
So let's talk
Eventually,
about that,
when we talk
Manav. A
about
quick
this election,
interjection. If a merger with the Congress party happens, let's leave the BJP out of the picture here. Because wasn't it the same Congress just few weeks ago that was questioning Mamata Banerjee and her leadership in a party over corruption cases when the election campaign was happening? Now you're extending a hand of friendship?
See, India Alliance has to come. And without Congress, India Alliance cannot come up. So we have to understand what the meeting was about. The India Alliance. It was not about TMC throwing the hands off for the Congress to come and join in. It was about the India Alliance. India Alliance and the meeting of the TMC, it was only based on the multiple leaders from the different parties coming together.
No, but
why you have
Mamata
to
Banerjee
speculate
was a
on
force
something
to
called a
reckon
merger?
with. I mean, as far as her, conduct and her role is concerned as the opposition leader, she was one of the tallest opposition leaders to take on the BJP individually. Now, this things have dramatically changed. Is now Mamata Banerjee needing Congress party to survive for the existence of the TMC?
See, 2020 election is supposed to be one of the research-based election for the future. What really transpired and how this win has happened and what is Mamata Banerjee, the 2.61 crore people has already decided. We have to stick to the basic of Ma Mati Manush, and we have done that so far.
Yes.
Eventually, what has happened, the people, the leaders, who are eventually the rebel leaders, why they don't have the numbers? The BJP who's trying to do the coup, can you realize, if they would have had the numbers and they would have had the...
Well, if they do, then it becomes a problem for the TMC, and this is something which Mamata Banerjee probably realizes. So that is why we're looking at these long meetings that seems to be happening individually with Sonia Gandhi and Abhishek Banerjee also meeting with Rahul Gandhi. But Manav, appreciate you joining us here on the broadcast. To you, Mr. Amitabh Roy, as well of the BJP, because